Right, sorry I'm a bit shaky. Oh, as you can see, I've cut everything out. Right, it was like that. It was like that. And now, it's like that. So I've been here for about 2 hours. About that. Around about 2 hours. And I've cut out down the side of here. I'm going to take that out in a minute. That's over like 60 years old, that is. I'm going to take that out, man. I've been taking all this, the brambles out, the trees, what's leading into the stream. Still got loads to do. But, as you can see, snapped my bloody, my rake. So I can't do much now. Well, look at that. That is what you call brilliance. So, out there, that's a big log, that is, all the way across. There's a big tree on it. It fell down some years ago. And some weeds and moss and everything's just growing on top of it. So, I can't take that out today because all I've got is boots. I ain't got no waders on. I ain't got nothing. Look at that. That was all covered. As you can see, it's a high heaven of brambles, weeds, moss, everything. Oh, so I thought to myself, what should I do today? I thought I'll go to the lake and I'll start clearing the outlet. Now this is the outlet. Can't go around the other way, but see if I can get round this way. Oh God, see what I mean? All covered in brambles everywhere I go. All I see is brambles. But there's open spaces. Maybe I might put a shed there, or like a little hut, so I can keep some storage up here. Yeah. Ugh, I fell in here twice, as you can see, soaking wet. Twice. I can't get in there. I can, but I'm gonna have to walk through it. And walking through that is a nightmare. So, but I'm going to do it for you guys anyway. I need to have a look in here anyway to see what's in here and I hope to God there's no ex-military bombs in here, because no one's been here since the war. You know what I mean? So, and I know that because the gamekeeper what looks after all the land around here, he's told me this is the only lake around here what's abandoned. So, it's not abandoned no more, people, because I'm here and I'm coming to take it. Look at that, look how clean and clear that is. So yeah, there's a little string, there's a little sand pit there. Try and get in there. Don't mind me, first fag of the day. Well, first fag in 4 hours. Fucking hell. Oh shit. Almost fell in there then. Fucking hell. Oh. Right. I ain't even got a hood. Shit. Right. Oh my God. Slippy ain't the word. Jesus. Ow. Spiky. Oh. Shit. So yeah. There you go. Oh yeah, man. Standing in it, you know. How clear that is. How clear that water is, man. Jesus. Yeah, I'm gonna come out. I'm gonna come down here. I'm gonna clear this, man. I'm just gonna clear the whole thing. Yeah. See if I can get over there. Oh, sugar. So yeah, I can get over here, but see it. Look at that. Look at that. What I've cleared. Cleared all that. Yeah, boy. Oh, excuse me. That's the iron brute. Oh. Right. I ain't gonna get on there because that is a mound of mud what's sopping wet, and I ain't getting on that. No. I need to get over there and cut all that back. But not today. Not today. See where them trees are? All of that there. All the way around. That's the whole lake, man. Like, it starts from that tree there. And it... Oh, my phone's going to die. But, yeah, I've got to cut it out short. There we go, people. I got you some footage, some content. And you'll have some more in a few days. See you later.